everyone, I'm Melissa here at McWane Science Center, and welcome to SciSparks. On today's SciSpark episode, we're going to spend the next few minutes with our heads in a cloud. Stay tuned. Perhaps you've heard of lightning in a bottle. Well, today we're going to be making clouds in a bottle using some familiar items. Here I have an empty plastic water bottle and isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. Using a pipette, I'm putting alcohol into the bottle, twisting the cap back on, and shaking the alcohol around, thus coating the bottle. Now watch what happens when I twist the bottle, pause, and let go. Wow! A cloud in a bottle! But how did it get there? Let's talk about it. We made a cloud inside of the water bottle by causing the rubbing alcohol to evaporate. The rapid change in pressure causes the alcohol to condensate, which forms a cloud. This is all thanks to one of 3 gas laws, which we'll explore using my gas law sparkly stick of science. P represents pressure, T represents temperature, and V represents volume. When volume is held constant or doesn't change, if pressure increases, temperature will also increase. Likewise, if pressure decreases, temperature will also decrease. This is what's known as Gay-Lussac's law. Well, if you thought that was a great twist, then check this out. Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac coined the term pipette, co-discovered that there's 2 H's to every O in H2O, or water, and also discovered the ABV, or the alcohol by volume scale. Pretty cool, huh? Cheers! Well, that was a gas. Thank you for watching this episode of SciSparks. To catch new episodes as soon as they're released, be sure to subscribe to McWane's YouTube channel or visit us at mcwane.org. Until next time!